Welcome back everyone to another tutorial for the Dynasty Warriors Origin game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn off action hints within this game. So let's get started right away. Now, while you are playing this game, if you wish to give yourself an even greater challenge by turning off action hints, then you can very well do this. Just pause your game by pressing the start button and then go into system. Within the system settings, you will need to now go into display. Here within display, if you scroll down, you can find the action hint section. By default, this is turned on, but you can turn it off just as easily. Once you have set the off option, just go back and your changes will be saved automatically. And if you wish to change this setting in the future, you can once again follow the same steps. Just pause the game, go back to system, and then you can choose to enable or disable action hints from the display section. And that is how easy it is to turn off action hints on the Dynasty Warriors Origin game. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.